my name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share how to make fun fish garnish from orange peel and 3 ways how we can attach it to glass. I peel orange with vegetable peeler. With good orange peeler, we don't have to remove orange pith. First, I cut out fish shape. To speed up this process, you can use right size cookie cutter. Next step, I'm going to make V-cut to attach fish to glass. We can also make cut on the side of fish as I show on the lime. Fish cute as is, but I'm going to make little bit more design on it. Actually, it's not only looks. If we put fish inside glass, it releases more orange flavor to drink. With this design on fish, we can also place it on the top of glass. Visit my website Galainthekitchen.com. I have much more ideas cocktail garnishes on my website than on YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.